Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Highlights at Home. Now, a lot of us are finding that we have more downtime this summer than we expected to have. But sometimes downtime is exactly what's needed to give us the space to get creative. And that's the theme of this new collection of free, digital, fun with a purpose resources. I'm Allison, I'm an editor at Highlights, and I'm here to share with you this bundle that we've put together so that you and your kids can get creative. If you've got musically inclined kids, they might be inspired to create some DIY musical instruments, like Rabbit does in our story One Box Band. With a little creativity, practically anything can be a musical instrument. A plastic bottle with some pebbles could be a maraca, a paper towel tube with some wax paper could be a kazoo, a simple cardboard box with some sticks could be a drum. And what better time to start your family band? Now, if your kids are little comedians, they'll get a kick out of our improv activities. We've got games that you can play together for a little hilarious family fun, or some of the games they could try out with friends over a video chat for a virtual comedy troupe. And if you've got kids who tend to think outside the box, they'll enjoy the prompts that we've included in this pack. For example, if you could make up a new word, what would it be? That's a really tough one. Or would you prefer to paint with a brush or with your fingers? Now, apologies in advance if that one leads to some messy art projects, but try to embrace a joyful mess for the sake of creativity. We also have a game for kids to create and play. Using jar lids and whatever craft materials you happen to have around the home, kids can create faces. The wackier the better, and then they can use those faces to play a Guess Who style game with one other player. And this is another game that they could play over video chat with a friend. So have a great time creating with your kids this week. And we'll be back soon with more free digital resources. Take care. Now I'm going to go practice my kazoo.
Hey parents, find more great videos on Highlights for Grown-ups, the channel that helps you help your kids be their best selves.